안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. What food do you like these days? I really like a carrot kimbap now. It's easy to make and so yummy. Making kimbap usually takes a lot of work to prepare everything. But today I will show you a super simple way to make it. Let's get started. Today I will be slicing carrots with the help of a tool. Put 2 carrots in the chopper and shred them. Once you put the carrots in the chopper, they quickly become shredded like this. Especially this method is convenient when your shoulders hurt. If you don't have a chopper, you can also use a knife or a slicer. Drizzle about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add about half tablespoon of sesame oil. Add about half tablespoon of garlic. Popular Korean carrot kimbap shops enhance flavor by adding sesame oil and minced garlic when frying carrots, creating a richer taste. When the aroma of garlic comes up, add the shredded carrots. This enhances the flavor of the carrot kimbap. Carrots have beta-carotene, which helps to protect our cells and keep us healthy. So cooking carrots in oil helps our body absorb more of their good stuff. Add about half teaspoon of salt. Stir fry well over high heat for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat after 2 minutes to spread it on a dish and let it cool. Put about 6 eggs in a bowl. Add about 2 pinches of salt. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Pour in the well-mixed egg mixture. Stir the eggs well. I will make them like scrambled eggs. Don't overcook the eggs. Then turn off the heat. This way the eggs will be much softer and tastier. Likewise, put them in a dish and let them cool down. Put about 2 bowls of rice in a bowl. Add about half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you want a richer taste, you can also add about 1 tablespoon of ground sesame seeds. Let's roll the kimbap. Place a little rice on the kim and spread it evenly. Leave a little space at the end. Generously top the rice with the stir-fried carrots. Also add some scrambled eggs. You can sprinkle a bit of pepper to your preference. Roll it tightly to prevent the ingredients from falling out. If you have the bamboo mats, place the kim on the bamboo mat and roll it. Brush a little sesame oil on the kimbap for enhanced flavor. Sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Wow, look at this. With just 2 ingredients, it looks so pretty. Serve on a plate and enjoy, or pack it in a lunchbox for a great lunch. Savory and tasty carrot kimbap is done. How was today's recipe? It's nice to eat a lot of tasty carrots this way. How about making carrot kimbap for dinner tonight? Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.